Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like and share. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you guys on how to pipe a center neck well like a pro. You will pipe it to be neat. So stay tuned. Let's start now. Alright, first of all, you get your fabrics that you'll be using to get the piping. You fold like this. You fold in a slant way. Fold it like this. Make sure your cloth is well arranged. You fold it in a slant way, not the normal straight way. You make it slant just like this. Then you get your tape rule. So that you can measure the piping. First of all, you'll be measuring 1 inches. But before that, iron your fabrics very well. So you measure 1 inches, 1 inches, measure 1 inches, measure like that, measure it down, one inches down, then get a ruler to rule the lines of the one inches you have measured. Rule the line, then you get your scissors to cut it out. Make sure your hand is straight. Cut it out like that. As you can see, this is the result of the cutting. This is the result. This is what we have after taking the one inches measurement and you cut it. So now, if you open it now, you now have to iron it to form the bias neck. Like this now, it will be stretchy for it to relax on the neck. So you start ironing it like this. So gradually iron it down to form the bias neck. You keep on ironing it. As you can see, the way I'm doing it, so do it like that. Press it very well, press it very well. If your iron is not a, what's it called? Is if the iron you are using is not a steam iron, then put water on it. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. So use your cooler to cool it down. Apply your hemming gum in between the bias that you have made. Apply your hemming gum in between. Put the hemming gum in between it so you can press it down with the iron. So after putting the hemming gum, then you use your iron to press it. So use your iron to press it. Your iron must be hot. If your iron is not a steam iron, apply water on it, sprinkle water on it. You can get a ragolis, then put a small hole and fill it with water. So you can using it to add water to your clothes, to your work, anytime you want to iron. So please look closely. Fold it like this. It won't be equal. One must be longer than the other one, so that when you are sewing, it can catch it from beneath also. So it won't be equal. One will be longer than the other. Then you press. Take note of this. Please take note of this so that when you are sewing the piping to the center where it will catch it from the top to the bottom. It will sew from the top to the bottom. But if you make it equal, it won't sew from the top to the bottom. So one of it must be longer. So press it down. Use your cool iron to press it for it to relax. So now, can you see the result? So now we'll be making the piping curve. Make it in a circle form so that it can fit the neck of the center wear. So you gradually press it in a circle form. had it been we didn't cut the piping in an elastic way, that is in that slanted way, it won't form like this. Hope you can see it's forming gradually. So you iron it down. Immediately remove your iron, you put the cooler on it so that it will relax. You put the cooler on it so that it can relax. As you can see the way I'm doing it, you continue like that until it form a circle. So as you can see, this is the result. It's not hard, it's very easy. The only thing that we need to make your piping to come out like this is when you didn't cut it in a slanted manner. If you follow my instruction, you also get the same result as this. So you continue like this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn off your notification bells, like and comment, share the video for others to also benefit from this. So use your cooler to cool it. As you can see, here is the result. So like this, it will easily relax. Thank you for watching. So the part 2 of the video, I'll be showing on how to sew the pipe into the neck of the center. I'll be showing you on how to sew it for it to come out well. See the results here. So in the part 2 of this video, I'll be showing on how to achieve it.